slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Happy Wednesday. How's everybody? I'm Steve Kalayjian. Welcome to MyFundedFutures Asia session from 8 to 10, Monday through Thursday. I'm happy to be here. You guys, first of all, somebody asked me last night, they said, Steve, before you leave, can you tell me what you think of silver in the Asia session? I said, I see Asia, silver going up 90, 91. It was trading in like the low 80s. And I said, you got the 15 and then the 30-minute time frames, and then kaboom! What a kaboom! Unbelievable. Silver. Unbelievable. What a absolute move today. Up 7% in silver. You just got to think, oh my goodness, right? This got kabooshed. You just got to think, like, you know, what in God's creation is going to cause this thing to drop? Or where is the top on this thing, you know? But you see here, can you guys see my charts? I don't know. Can they see my charts here? Right there. Okay. Now, when you see the overbought condition right here into the negative MACDs, this is a monster bear flag. Oh, my God. 92.85. That's right. It hit 93.70 today. Wow. Hello, everybody. Hey. Saborg, Drewski. What's up, everybody? TGT. We're going to do 10 raffles tonight, 950, 10 giveaways. Ten giveaways tonight, but remember, you have to sign up to MyFundedFutures. Hey, JL Trading. What's up? Jay, that guy, your secretary never called me today if Jay's here. Nicholas, hello. There you go. Khalib, all right. So again, we're gonna do the raffles. If I can't read your name, you're not winning. Period. New rules. Make the names where I can say them. Period. Okay. Saborg, am I saying that right? Saborg, if you're new, you want a 5-day free trial to my live stream, just text me 914-500-7484. All right, so gold and silver right now, the 15s look like they want to roll over here. Silver, I'd probably take a long here on the silver against, wow, the silver is about to go negative on the 30. If this silver gets down to the 90.80 to 91.10, probably look to take a long here. I'm telling you, I'm warning you guys, if you don't change your name, it's over. Oh, my God, look at this silver. Just rallies 20 cents, 30 cents like nothing. All right, cancel that. Bye. Miji, how are you? Okay. If you want a 5-day free trial, anybody, just text me 914-500-7484. Let's go. Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer. Okay. All right. Hello, everybody. Hello. Wow, what a day in silver. Can you believe silver 93.80? This thing's going to get kabooshed, though. We're going to wake up. It's going to be, SK, how was your day? It was a good day. Okay, so what you need to do is you guys need to create an account. Okay? KC Bangus. You guys need to, if I'm not correct, if I'm correct, I believe you need to create an account in order to win. Okay. Gold sell disconnect. Gold's going lower. The 15s are rolling over here. You need to create an account. Hey, Zil from Finland. I think if silver breaks 90.43, it's over. How's that, Stephen? Okay. There was a big Verizon outage here. You know that, right? Everybody? Big Verizon. Hey, Oscar, how are you? You Spectrum. Nobody can make a phone call. You're not live on MyFundedFutures. Yes, I am. Anybody can see me or hear me? I thought it was live. All right, if this silver gets down to the 95.25 range, I'd look to be a buyer. Make a new low, just for a scalp long here. Let's see here. S&P, NASDAQ gets up to the 40 to 70 level. I will look to short NASDAQ. Okay. If anybody knew, okay, I don't know, Bob Barker. I'm on. People tell me, oh my God, silver just ran 50 cents. I'm on. People tell me I'm on. I'm on here. If this gold gets up to the 18.5, 19 level, I look to short it up to 25.5 range. Look at this silver rally right back up. This silver, I would short some silver here. 80 up to 10, 91.80 to 92.10 silver. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Welcome everybody. Welcome. 82 on the silver. Missed it there. All right. How'd everybody do today trading silver and gold? How'd everybody do? NASDAQ ran 50. I know, I saw it. Don't ask me why. The 30 and 60-minute time frames are in buy mode. So that was probably a nice oversold condition on the 5-minute there. Hey, Saborg, there he is. Okay, so please sign up. Create an account at MyFundedFutures, okay? Because if you don't sign up for an account, hey, Dragon Trades, if you don't sign up for an account and you win, you get ugats, nothing, okay? Nothing. You don't win, okay? So let me ask you guys a question. And again, I know everybody has different accounts. What is the most amount of silver contracts you can trade with MyFundedFutures? Anybody know? Like, is it? Please change your names if you right, exactly. What's the most you guys can trade on a funded account? Anybody know? 2? Really? That's it? Depends on the account. Let's say 150K account. 150. Boy, I wanted to buy this silver on this pullback. Damn it. Change your names. Don't ask me no more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. Uh, 15, Jeff? How come people look to cover the silver anywhere between the 68 and 83 range if you're short? Gold, look to cover gold 19.5 down to 16.5 if you're short. Look at the silver. There you go. Bye-bye gold. Bye-bye silver. Bye-bye. There you go. Hey, Candace, get in there, Candace. We missed Candace the last few nights, everybody. Right? Walking in Memphis. All right. Look at the silver drop. That's it. You get the short?
Yeah, short gold, yeah.
What about silver?
No.
Oh my God. Are you guys crazy not trading this silver? Oh, we miss Candace. I always look for you, Candace, every night. Candace is living in New York City, bunkered down, freezing. Meanwhile, it's 78 degrees here, and I'm freezing. I don't like any temperature under 85. I don't like any temperature under 85. 85 or above, I'm the happiest guy in the world. 90, 95, 98, I love it. The hotter, the better. Well, get down here. What the hell's the problem? Why doesn't your account allow you to trade? Silva, are you crazy? Now don't ask me no more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. All right. So many people blew up my phone the last couple of days thanking me about trading the metals. No, it's winter here. It's winter. Oh, look at this. Silver, 40 cents. Gold just dropped 3. Oh, I love these metals. We got to start trading platinum and copper. I just had one. No, black and soda. Why can you trade metals with MyFundedFutures account? Yeah, you can. Who said that? That's insane. Yes, you can. No, Pierre Joseph. Yes, more metals. Look at Jennifer. Get in there, Jennifer. What do you mean? I don't get. Okay, I'm confused here. Can somebody help me? Because I don't get this. Some are saying you can't trade silver. Some say you can only trade gold. Some say you can't trade silver. Some say you can do two. I don't know what the hell is going on here. Really, I need a drink. Where's my Johnny Walker Black? Because Candace can straighten this out for me, or Jennifer, right? What do you mean? You got to get probably the different plans for data. No, look at this. So look at it. Look at this gold drop. Hello.
Yes, sir. I already got it. I'm out.
You're out.
40.
You got to read the rules, man. Let's go. What the hell are you doing here? No, say that word. Go to billing and enable the COMEX. Right? Silver micros are on steroids. The best. All right. NASDAQ just dropped 14. I would cancel the short. If on a 50K account, how many silver contracts can look at this? So look at this gold. Oh my God, silver 50. Look at the gold drop $6. Candace, get in there, Candace. MyFundedFutures can't trade gold or silver. It says something about data. Well, it makes sense. You got to buy the data, right? Just enable it. Oh my God, look at this. New lows in silver. Look at that. You see the reason why I called this short? 15-minute time frames. I'm waiting for attributes. What's going on here? Anybody short the gold or silver? So gold was pushing down just now here, and you got the push up with the 15s rolling over. No way. And you see the overbought condition into the negative MACDs here. Oh my God. Look at this gold. Good job, Candace. Welcome back. Get in there. All right, silver gets down to the 75.05. You got to go wide on silver. 75.05. I'd take a buy. Oh, Jesus, just ran 30 cents like nothing. Look at this. Look at this. Good job, Rocky Mountain Trade. Rocky Mountain Trades. You should be listening to me during the day, Rocky Mountain. Right? 2 micros made 1,500. How could that be? Oh, he wrote it all the way down. That's why. James Robertson. Great job, James Robertson. I'll see you, James, in about 3 weeks. Who cares? You trade them. See, Candace, welcome back. Welcome to the party. Candace, when I come into the city, we'll go to Elio's. You owe me a drink. Okay? We'll go to Elio's on the Upper East Side. Okay? We'll go to Elio's. I know everybody there. You want to hear the craziest story I ever had? Well, I had so many crazy stories. I had what's her name? Ivanka Trump?
That's the daughter.
No, the mother. What was Ivana?
Yeah.
Ivana?
Yep.
Ivana saw me at the bar one night. Oh my God, she kept on sending. She sent over, I can't even tell you how many drinks to me. I go, Brian, you got to stop. Tell her, please. Oh, she wants you to go over and talk to her. Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, oh no, oh my God, no. And then I met Don Rickles there. That was a highlight. But you want to hear the craziest story in the world? No, not Melania. No, the first wife. Do you guys want to hear it? Oh yeah, she wanted me to come over and sit with her. True story. I swear to God. Hand on the Bible. Look, here's the Bible right here. See, hand on the Bible. I'm telling you the truth. Ivanka. Yes, you can scalp, but you need to learn how to scalp. Scalping is a precision way to trade the market. Okay. I'm sitting at the bar and Brian says, Stevie, yeah, Ivanka Trump wants to buy you a drink. I'm like, I turn around. I said, hello. And she's like, come sit with me. I'm like, oh my God, Brian, what do I do? And he's like, go ahead, go talk to him. I'm like, nah, I'm just want to eat and relax. I want to get out of here. And he says, no, go sit with her. Then she came up to me, talked to me for a little bit, bada bing, bada boop, bada bop. And that was it. And now that was it. But you guys want to hear the craziest story ever? Sell the gold above 10, silver above 10. If you bought 0510, you guys want to hear a really crazy story? So one day I get to the Ilios, Candace, right? Who's calling me? Hold on 1 second. All right. Look at this gold and silver cabooshed. Let's see. Tell the mayor to shovel the damn snow. Sell this silver out above 91 to 91.10 here. Look at this gold get crushed. So, no. Papa Trump loves me. He tweeted me out one year. Hope you guys kicked out the silver. Good. Look to buy it again here, silver. Anywhere from the 45 to 75 range, silver. I'd buy it again here. So I'll tell you guys a great story. Man, oh man, what a short in gold. So silver's down $1 since we started. There we go. So one year I was sitting, I got to Elio's around 5:30. Okay, just scalp it. Sell it above 80 to 90 range on the silver. So I'm sitting at Elio's by myself, and all of a sudden I turn, I'm sitting, and right in front of me is Matt Lauer and Brian Gumbel, Candace, right? Sell this silver 80 to 90, 95 range. Should get a bounce here. So next thing I know, I'm sitting at the table. I'm exhausted. I traded all day. I'm whacked out of my mind. There goes the silver. Raise your stops. There you go. Raise your stops on the silver. So all of a sudden, you could buy some gold here. Jesus. You could look to buy some gold here anywhere, even and a half to 07.5. So all of a sudden, I hear Brian Gumbo says, look at the silver go. He says, I got it. And Matt Lauer says, no, I got it. And they're fighting over the bill. Oh my God, look at the silver, kaboom. Wow. Look at that silver. In the middle of me telling a story. So these two lunatics are fighting back and forth about who's to pay the bill. Right? Kaboom. Right? And I get up. This is going on for like 4 or 5 minutes. I get up and I reach over and I snag the bill out of Matt Lauer's hand. And he said, sir, can I have it back? I said, no. The both of you should be ashamed of yourself for the money that you're making. You're arguing over an $85 bill, right? Wow. $3,000 on the silver. Well, in the middle of me telling a story. So he says, sir, can I please have the bill? I said, no, I'm paying the bill on the one condition, the both of you leave. I can't take the fact that you two are arguing over an $85 bill. Who's paying for it? Okay. So I go back to my table and the waiter comes, Stevie, they'd like to have the bill back. I said, they're not getting it back. I'm paying the bill. I don't want it. I want them to leave. I can't take it no more. Right? I can't take these two guys haggling over an $85 bill. Right? So the waiter knows me. They know I'm half crazy. Walks away from me. Matt Lauer turns around and says, sir, please, I'm very, very sorry. Can we pay for your dinner? I completely ignored him. I get up to pay my bill. They said, sir, please, we have the bill. I said, under one condition, you both leave before me. I handed them back the bill. They both left. I never saw them ever again. They actually were haggling to the point where I couldn't even take it. My brain hurt. Really. Really unbelievable. True story. True story. Again, silver, if it pushes down here, let's go 43 to 73 range. Look at this silver. This gold is done. Candace, you sold the highs, darling. You sold the highs. You owe me a drink at Ilio's. $85 in 2 seconds on 2 micros. There you go. There you go. You trade it. Hello. Let's go. Get in there. Be aggressive. Okay. Crazy story, right? Right? Crazy. At Ilio's, Upper East Side. Still there. Probably there about 40 years, Candace, maybe. I think we lost Candace. I think Candace shorted gold, and that was it. It's all over. She ran right downstairs, have a couple cocktails somewhere. Let's go. Who's this name? Oh, my God. There you go. You're going to buy me 2 drinks. Okay, good. All right. So anyway, I have a lot of great stories. A lot of great stories. Here we go. Gold pushing down here. Jesus, gold's down 19. Good Lordy. Don't ask me no more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. Oh, this gold's getting kabooshed. Silver. I think silver might be it. This might be it for silver. This might be it for silver. You got a short rallies here. The 30 minutes about to reverse. You got to get hammered to trade these crazy metals. Let's see if you get this. Put one more push up on the. Oh my God. Gold drop in here. All right, let's see if you get a push up on the metals here. Well, gold and silver really deeply oversold. Silver, you can look to, well, 58 to 73 range if it gets up there. I know you want to short everything. Gold, you want to sell this gold 04 to 07. Yep, here we go. You want to short these metals. I'm telling you, you want to short these metals, right? Exactly, Candace. You want to short these metals. That's the first thing I did. When I saw those 15-minute time frames getting overbought into those negative MACDs. Oh. And look at the ZSLs, man. These ZSLs. I mean, where's this thing going? I mean, look at this thing. 290, down 12%. Give me a break. Right? Give me a break. There goes the gold right back up. Come on, silver. One more push up. Now, if the silver reverses to sell on the 30-minute time frame, the strategy is you look to short the first bounce on the 5-minute. Candace, I'll be scaling out here up to 07. Out. Silver, I'd be flat. I hope you're flat silver. Okay, there's no way this silver should be kabooshed. Good job. Wow, silver just got right up to 78. What a nice trade. Okay. Another story. Once upon a time, there were 3 little bears. I don't know. What kind of story you want to hear? Good job, Candace. Let's see. You want to hear a really crazy story? America Online was being added to the S&P 500. And I never forget this. And I was doing monster program. Wow, look at this gold go. I'd be flat to gold. It came in through the whole range. I agree, Michael Jock. Okay. And all I know is the guy who bought silver at 93.80, he jumped. All right. If this silver gets down to I would say the 89.75 to 90.05, I look to buy it for a bounce. Scalp. I'm not answering that VWAP. Are you trying to incriminate me? Get to 90. It should get there. I said 75 to 05. Josh. Okay. I'm looking for scalp longs. Here we go. 05. Here we go. 75 to 05. This silver is crashing. 545 on 4 accounts. There you go. Oh my God. There goes the stop orders. There goes the stop orders. There's the stops. Sell this silver out. 88 up to 05. If it gets up there. Oh yeah, there you go. You got nothing but stop orders on these in this silver. These monster stop orders. You got to look for shorts here now because now the 60-minute time frame is going to reverse to sell. Right? The silver is gonna. You got to look for shorts in silver and gold. Oh my God, down $4 off the highs. You're gonna get a sharp bounce here though. There goes. Oh my God, look at his stop orders. Look at his stops. You got to take a long here. Again, down to 7. You got to take a long here. 88, 90 to 89.20. You're going to get the stop orders. There you go. They're going to bounce. Look, this silver is $2 from the 10 bar. Wow. Look at this. So you got nothing but stop orders. Oof. You got stops up the wazoo here. There's no bids. I got to buy some of this silver, I think, here. right back up. Look at that. Boom. Look at that 40-cent rally. Just made $1,500 just now. Look at that. Oh my God. Where is this silver going? Oh my God. Hi, Boo Boo. Where's silver trading? To think it, boom. Oh my God, it's crashing. What happened, Boo Boo? Oh my God, it's crashing. Gold and silver are crashing. Wow. Just rallied. Oh my God. Just Tradeovate wouldn't even let me buy it. This thing just rallied $1. Wow. This is all the big stop orders. Right? You see that? Oof. Just ran $1.60. 86.12. Just I tried to buy like 20 lots down there. Jesus, this thing was frozen. Come on, man. You could short this here 88 up to 88.30 or 40 range. This silver. Oh my God almighty. What a oh. He's a shepherd coon hound. I tried to buy so many lots of silver down here at 86.20. The stupid Tradeovate froze up. Did you see the stop orders? Is any news? No, this thing's just technically overbought. Forget it. Look at the gold rally. Oh my God almighty. Silver just ran $1.80 like nothing. That's a serious caboose. Everything froze on me just now. This is crazy. This is absolutely insane. If you're short above 88, look to cover below 88 here. If you're short above 88, I'd look to cover. Oh my God, it just dropped. Are you short?
I was.
Oh my God, it just dropped 80 cents. Oh my God almighty. It's the Wild West. Don't tell silver just dropped $1. Anybody get that short? Circuit breakers. I can't believe I went in to buy this silver at 86.20 and the freaking thing was frozen. This is horse crap. Dave, get in there, Dave. It's the stop orders, man. I can't believe this trade of a won't let me buy this gold, this silver, 86.20. I'm sick to my stomach. If this silver gets up to the 88.5 to 88, 88.50, 88.80, 88.90, I think it's a short. You knew the big stop orders, and I mean, this thing traded down $6 off the high. Do you see that? I was going in there clicking like a lunatic. The whole freaking thing was frozen. I couldn't even click. I was clicking like $1 higher just to make sure I can get it. I'm telling you, man, it's crazy. Yeah, no, I'm talking about candy bars. Yes.
I just went through a roller coaster with that. Oh, with that stuff.
This is insane. With the 21st century, how do you have technology, right? You can't execute though. This is BS, man. I literally when silver was dropping, I was bidding 88s like that, just higher, just to buy them.
Like it jumped for me from like 20 to 500, and before I could hit close, it dropped down to like $50.
This is insane though, man. I'm doing this 43 years. I've never seen that.
My heart literally dropped.
No, but I'm just saying, I mean, how does this thing not execute? I'm literally buying it 80 cents above the last sale. Just to get in there.
It's so
No, it's just is
wow.
Oh yeah, it was a great short. Again, I'd short this gold here if it gets up to the 05 to 05.5, 11.5. And this silver, if this silver gets up to the 50, 60, the 90 range, I look for a short. It just hit 54. If you're short from before, just cover. Look to cover. You knew, I told people all day today, the biggest problem with silver is the stop orders, the big stops. And this is a stop order and a half. When you see right here, almost 6,000 contracts traded, you know there's a caboose, okay? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If you're short the silver at 50, just lower it. You're short above 50? Good job. Now silver will make you have a major stroke, okay? But this is what I'm saying. Okay? All right, cancel the gold. Silver, this is such nonsense, man. You can see it right here. Look, 6,000, 29.70 up, 33.77 down. You have to subscribe to the data, guys, and you guys have to sign up for a MyFundedFutures account. My God Almighty. No, silver is an animal. You have to, a lot of people can't trade it. I made $1,500 in no time. I would have made about 10, 20, 30,000 if I bought these down here. This thing won't let me buy it. Robin St. Pete, you guys have to sign up for real-time data, okay? I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know. Whew. All right, this silver, it's Jesus. Silver was like $4 from the 10 bar. If this silver gets up to like 90, 88.90 to like 89.30, I'd short it. Gold here, another bear flag setting up. If this gold gets up to the 0680, it doesn't matter. How in God's creation am I trying to buy this at 87, and it won't let me buy it? Wow. No. Wow, what a cabooshin. What a crash. Oh, this is just the beginning. And then we're gonna have to back up the truck. You want to get these dailies oversold here. So you're probably looking at maybe let's just look at the silver chart here. Got a nice bear flag setting up here. If this silver gets up to the, I say 88.70, 88.75 to 89.10, I'd short it. So a gold anywhere from the 05 and a half, 05.80 up to 11.80. You don't understand futures? Why not, Mr. Rockstar? Just text me. I'll talk to you about it. I'm going to get a t-shirt. It doesn't matter. Look, silver 73. Oh, my God. Wow. Well, you think you've seen everything when, boom. This guy, he's happy. If he sold, this guy's happy. If this guy, all these people who bought just jumped. Right? Mr. Rockstar, if you need help, you can just text me. I'm more than happy to talk to you about it. You're still $1.97 from the 10 bar, so you got to be careful. 15s are still turning up here. 30s. All right, the 30s reverse to sell. So technically, you want to short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. Look at this silver. Boom, $1.60 up. Where's the next number? That's at 75, 80. Wow. What's Hendricks eating? He's eating something. Look to cover anywhere between the 50 and 70 range if you're short. There you go. There you go. Wow. Fill the gold. Wow. Look at the silver drop 30 cents. Oof. Do you see this? This is crazy. This is such bullshit.
Can you make that first up, please?
What?
Can you make that first up? The freeze. Account on Legend. The one that's there.
Can you trade one
All
for
right.
silver? Can you trade one for silver?
That I don't know.
Anybody short the silver on this bounce? Has got bear flags here on gold and silver here. Wow, silver is going to get another cabooshin. Wow. Look at the silver drop. Wow. What was the low on gold? Look at the silver drop. Look at the silver drop. Wow. 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 Look at silver. Kabooshed. Is that right? The NASDAQ just ran 50? Look at the gold. Cover the gold below 05.5. David T, if you're short of 07.5, went up to 09. You should have sorted more, no? Look to cover below 05.5 here, 06. Wow. Dave, get in there, David. Invest, Dave. Dave, silver just, oh my God, down $1 on silver. Look at the silver. Dave. Wow. Woo-wee. Dragon Trader, get in there. What did gold get down to? $96. I just ran 10. This gold's going to, I would cover gold below 06 here. These fives are going to roll over. I think gold's going to go a lot lower, though, but oh my God, silver. Well, you know that the stop orders are taken out. So if silver does make new lows, now we don't know if there's any stop orders from here down. That's the other problem, right? Mike, good job. Look at this gold. Look at this silver. Look at this gold. Look at this silver. Wow. Oh, my God. Candace, you get short up there again. Dave, Barber, you get short. Look at the silver. Kabooshed. Go get him, Jeff. Oh, my God almighty. This is going to bother me. I'm trying to buy the lows. Click on. You see MFFU sometimes? I must have clicked like 30 times to buy him down there. I couldn't get one contract. Freaking NASDAQ just rallied. It took my eye off it. NASDAQ just ran 60. Look at this gold right back down. Silver's down $1.20. Candace, you see the gold? Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my God. Am I crazy? Am I the only one when silver was kaboosh in here? I'm trying to buy him here that nobody, I couldn't buy him. You made 1,000 on one micro silver? Candace, you should have been stopped out on the way up. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That is absolutely insane. Can you imagine waking up one morning and seeing silver down like 15, 18, 20? I see that. Jennifer, I couldn't buy him, Jennifer. I mean, what is that about? That is completely blank, right? Anybody new here, please text me if you want a 5-day free trial, or just text me 914-500-7484. 20 lots of silver. Is 600 grand? Probably. Adam, your Dom froze too? I can't believe it. My Dom froze. All right. I probably short this gold here again. 10 up to 16 on the gold. What's the matter? What's the matter? Come. What's the matter? You okay? Are you okay? You okay? Good boy. Daddy loves you. You okay? Wow. Mr. Rockstar, if you want to text me, I told you. Hello, Boo Boo. Ooh, Daddy loves you. Wow. Gold's getting ready to caboose? Possibly. Gold long? No, I'm looking for gold shorts. Get back. No. Get back. Get back. Henny's okay. He just wants to eat everything. Wow. What a day. What a night. I had the right idea to short the NASDAQ up there, 25,640. Missed it by about three ticks. If you short the gold, let's lower your stops if you hit 10. All right. If this gold gets up to the 11 up to like 17, that's shorted again, 11 to 16, 11 to 17 range. Wow. What a bear flag on gold here. I'm so pissed off. I mean, I'm really beside myself, really. I'm sitting here, my head's about to explode. Okay? If you short the gold at 10 or 11, just lower your stops. I mean, I'm trying to buy him here, and the freaking platform was completely frozen. I mean, who does that, man? He's a good boy, my Henny. You got it. Candace, lower your stops if you're short the gold. These fives are going to, oh my God, these 5-minute time frames. Silver's going, I mean, if you look at silver on the daily chart, right? Everybody's like, this I knew was the top today, right? The trade of 8. Look at the gold drop, Candace 5. Okay. I mean, just here, if you just touch the 10 bar, you're $10 away, 78. Okay. I don't know. What's the sense? Don't ask me no more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. All right, we're going to do a raffle at 9:50. Make sure you have 3 minutes to register here. Also, in order to claim the raffle, you need to set up a MyFundedFutures account, right? Okay. Anybody new, please text me if you want a 5-day free trial, 914-500-7484. Okay. You have to register in the link above, or else if your name is called, you get nothing, right? You got 3 minutes. So there's a link. Can somebody help this person, please? Again, on the gold, I looked at shorter here, 11 and a half up to 17 and a half. Oh, this silver's finished. You're buying gold? Not me. Not me. I guess that's what makes the ball game. S&Ps? No, but the S&P should have been bought down there, though. Let's see here. Probably short him here, George. 60. Let's see, 65 up to like 70 range on the S&P. 64 3/4. 6. Okay. Freaking NASDAQ. Whatever happened there. Look at the silver drop, Candace. Okay, you have to make an account. You guys got 1 minute to register or 2 minutes to register. Oof, I'm exhausted. Where's the link? You have to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube. You have to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube. I'm telling you, I'm not joking around. I was clicking and 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 clicking, and I got nothing. That is absolutely BS. But I don't know. Candace, gold just dropped 3 if you're short. George, I don't know if you got filled on with the S&Ps, but 64 3/4, 65 up to like 70. Bye-bye gold. Bye-bye gold. Who's buying gold? I said 11 and a half, Pierre Joseph. Okay. Another caboose coming, yes. Especially on the 5-minute gold. You're long gold? Where? Here? SK Futures? I don't know, but I would have shorted it or exited the longs. This poor guy, 86.12. Imagine, look at the gold drop, $7. Can you imagine? You call the guy, hi, you got a report. You sold 100 contracts of gold or silver, 86.12. Okay, where is it? 88.80. What happened? What do you mean? What happened? Yes, sir. You sold 100 silver at 86.12 and a half. Oh my God, look at this gold. SK Futures, that was a monster bear flag, SK Futures. What happened? Hey, what happened? Go drink water. Make him go drink some. Go drink some water. There's no more water. That's the problem. I gotta get him more water.
Nothing in the jug?
No, the jug's empty. I gotta go get him more water. That's good for him for now. You okay? Come to daddy. Come to your father. You okay? Are you okay? I love you. All right, I love you too. I love you too. Good boy. Daddy loves you. I love you very much. You okay? Take this off you, huh? I'll take this off you. Oh my God, silver just rallied here. When did silver get down to? 87.45. Back. No. I think we missed the top there, George. I think we missed the top there. Wow. Over here, come. Come on, I want to see more action in silver. Oof. Anybody new here at all? Anybody new? Stop it. You crazy? I love my Hendrix. Daddy loves you, right? Hey, up. I love you. So this morning I'm walking and he came across a German Shepherd. Looks like a real German Shepherd. It's too late now. And he protected me. All his hair on the back stood up, and he wanted to go eat this dog. Silver, we need another caboose. Loretta, if you're new, who else is new here? I'm new. Lila, Navala Med. I hope I'm saying it right. If you're new, you want to text me, I'll give you a 5-day free trial to my live stream, 914-500-7484. Wow, that's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Are you kidding me? I put them in my hand. They're gone in 8 seconds. All right. So you got the negative MACDs on the 30-minute time frame on this 15, 30, and 60. Any rallies in silver and gold, I would look for shorts. NASDAQ shorts. Let's see here. No, not really. I'd like to see if the NASDAQ can get another push down for a long. Silver just ran $1 here. Let's see if the silver can get up to the 89 range. If it gets up to 88.95 to like 89.35, I would short, or 25, I would short some silver. Yeah, I know I didn't get it neither. This is really technically the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame after the 30 reversed to sell here. So let's just see. Oil. We're not looking at oil. Let's look at copper here. Remember copper yesterday? Oh, what a bear flag in copper. 601.70 here, 601.7 to 603. I'd be shorting. Look at this copper. Give me that, you absolute nut job. Get over there. There goes the silver right back up. Can you believe this silver? All right. This gold gets up to the 12 up to 17, 18. I'll take a short. Here goes the silver. This has got to be shorted in my book. Oh, let's see if this thing. See, all the stop orders got flushed out here. Now let's see if the real buyers can come back in here or not. See what I'm saying? Boom. Cover the silver below 99, 98 here, 95. Wow, what a drop, silver. Look at the silver drop. Wow. What a drop on silver. George, get in there. Oh, my God. I just sold silver at 21s. Or not 19s or whatever I sold. Jesus. NASDAQ bear flag, I don't see that. Oof. Look at this silver. You get the short in the silver?
Yes, sir.
Good.
210.
How much?
210.
You're up 210?
That's what I made in that one.
That's what I'm talking about. Get in there, Josh. Jennifer, you get that short, Jen? This silver rallied almost $3 off the low. Tommy Tom, let's go, Tommy Tom.
I know. I thought about that. 6 or 8.
If this silver gets up to the 89.20, up to 89.50, I'd short it again. Wow. Took the copper short. Did that work? I don't even know. I took my eyes off it. Entry. I can't make. What is going on here with this trade station? Oh my God. Wow. There you go. Copper's dropping. I short this gold again up here, 13.5 to like 20.5. Now the metals. See, all the stops got taken out. Come on with this. Oh my God. My nerves are shot with this shit. What did I say? I short this 15 up to, what did I say the short this? 15 up to 45? 05 to, what did I say? Oh, silver, let's just look to cover below 10 here. You got bear flags here. Look to cover silver even to 10. Gold should drop. Silver should drop. Kaboom. The silver's up $3 off the low. Can you imagine? Boom. Kabooshed. Look to cover this silver anywhere from the 10 to 25 range. Why not? This is crazy, right? See this this silver? Unbelievable, this silver right here. 86.12. Wow. Wow, good job. I still think it's a short up here. Boom. I just sold 55s. Good job, Oscar. Good job. 89.50. I hope you get it. I think the 5-minute time frames are going to turn down on gold and silver. Good job, JL. I think gold and silver are going to turn down here. The 30-minute time frames reverse to sell. You're pushing up into negative MACDs on the 30 right here. You can see the 30-minute MACDs are negative here. They're pushing up into a negative MACD. This is absolutely death. Okay, and here's the 60-minute pushing up in negative MACDs. You're in a negative trend. Hope you got out. Good job. You got your 50. Okay. Hope you do well on holding the silver longs. Silver just dropped 20 cents here. The silver should roll over. Here we go. Bye-bye. Wait till these fives roll over. 30 cents on the silver drop. With stop orders. Are we getting t-shirts? For what? T-shirts that say what? T-shirts for what? And again, anybody new, you want to text me. Silver's dropping. Come on. Now you got these 15-minute time. These fives are getting overbought. Wait till these 15s start rolling over. I was short gold up here. Yes. It doesn't matter. Unbelievable. Silver should drop. I short to 65, 89.65 up to 89.95 silver. Oh, the silver should drop hard. Silver should drop. All right, we're gonna. We all need the caboose on silver and gold. Yes, I said 65 up to 95. Oof. I can't even tell you how much money I would be making. Under announcements, I don't even know what they are. All right. NASDAQ and S&P, can't believe they're even up. NASDAQ ran, S&Ps ran 12 on that caboose. Silver is going to drop. Gold, look to cover gold anywhere from the 12.5 to 15.5 range. Unbelievable. Silver rallied $3 off the low. More than $3.50. Come on, silver. Drop, baby. Drop. Drop 50, 60, 70 cents. Let's go. Hey, from Brazil. So far, a half a dozen to a dozen people texted me. If you want access to my 5-day free trial, just text me 914-500-7484. All right, these 15s are starting to get overbought. The 30s are getting overbought. On the S&Ps, I hate trading the indexes here, though, but if the S&P is, George, 64.5 up to the 68.5, 9.5 range, I would look to short them. These fives have a 92 overbought reading here. I want to see a caboose here. You want to see the fives do something like this, get oversold into the positive MACD here, and then another push up. But you're in a negative trend, so we got to watch. The 30s and the 60s are negative, so you want to short. You look to cover the silver anywhere from the 13 to gold 13 to 16 range if you're short. Gold chart, please. Yes, sir. Right here. Gold chart, please. Nice bear flag, but any push down should make a higher low with the algo reversing to buy here. And if you look at the 15, you can see the 30. What a push down. Oh my God. 87. I think the 15s are going to roll over. You're in a negative trend here on gold and silver. Bye-bye S&Ps. Trade what you see. No opinions. How is this silver holding up here? S&Ps just dropped 2.5, George. Nasdaq just dropped 13, for almost 20, George. S&Ps just dropped 3 there. Nasdaq cabooshed. Yep. Now I want to see gold and silver get cabooshed. It should start soon here on the gold and silver. Let me see what this looks like here. So Eat, sleep, pray, trade. I love it. Just trade hard, stay focused. Trade what you see. There's no crying in trading. Oh my, love it. There you go, baby. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, Christopher. There goes the silver. Come on, silver. Give me another $1, 80 cents. George, you see the S&Ps, Georgie? Come on, Baba. NASDAQ just dropped 20. I love trade hard, stay focused. Love it. Trade what you see. Christopher, I would take out my feelings are not indicators. Just trade what you see. Look at this silver. Look at this silver and gold. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Look at it drop. Look at it drop. Look at it drop. Are you short?
I offered you 65, but you didn't get it.
We're short prior to that. What a short. What a short on silver. Hey, can you help me out for a second? Do you know how to do this here? How do I messed this up somehow. This here?
Mm-hmm.
I just lost my Discord. This one, this one, this one.
Just mix that.
Exit. Oh, got it. And then go back to members, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Wow, look at the silver drop. $1. I told you it was going to drop $1. Papa Giorgio, you see that? Gold short, silver short. That's the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame after the 30 reverse to sell. Candace, Jennifer, get in there. Oh my Lord. Wow. Wow. Look at the gold. Who cares, Patrick? It just dropped $6 on the gold. Now, again, on the silver, you're going to make a higher low here, so I hope you covered 51. You got the MACD's positive, the algo's positive, so silver just ran 41 of 50. Wow, that was a caboose. You got to see, I told you you're going to make a higher low here. Okay. Monster bear flag here, though. Jesus, silver just ran 50 cents. Jesus. I knew. I said it's going to make a higher low. Come on. Wow, silver just ran 70 cents. Jesus, Lord. Should be strong. Yep. I told you it would make a higher low here, but I still think we're going to go down. Gold did the same thing yesterday. Anybody, you understand how I said it was going to make a higher low here? You got the 15 to 30 minute time frame still turning up, and then the push down. But let's just watch it. The gap on gold on the 1 hour. Let me look. I don't know if I get gaps on 1 hour time frames here. 45.30. Let me see. There's gaps all the way down. God knows. Gaps. Forget about gap. Gaps all the way down. Forget it. Oh my God. Silver just ran 80 cents. Jesus Christ. Happened so fast. Look at that. 80 cents up on silver. I hope whoever was short covered down there. I hope whoever shorted the gold, I hope you guys Hey Rocky, how are you, Rocky? You understand the bounce, doctor? You understand? The algo reversed to buy. When you got the push down with the positive MACD, it most likely was off the 3 minute. See? The 3 minute did it right here. See? Oh. He's eating his bone. Wow, look at this silver right back up, 90 cents. Look at this silver, 90 cents up. Wow. I knew it was a rally. I said it's going to make a higher low. If this silver gets up to the 52, up to 82, 88, I look to short it again. Well, actually, you know what? Let's wait for the fives to get overbought. Okay. Is this live? No, it's Memorex. Of course it's live. Remember that? Remember that TV commercial? Is it live? No, it's Memorex. Oh my God. The giveaway is $9.50. I can't believe someone just asked if I'm live. No. Jennifer, help me out, Jennifer. Somebody. Good job, Lee. It doesn't matter. All right, now you can look to short some silver here. 70, 75 up to 05. Oh my God, silver. Look at this silver. Look at this silver. Up $1.30 off that oversold condition. That's why I said it's Memorex. Remember Memorex, the cassettes? Remember, Candace? The commercials cover the silver between 50 and 70 if you're short. The old buzzards remember. You better believe it.
Mhm.
Is it live or is it Memorex? Remember the commercial? I can't believe I remember that. I remember, I forget 90% of things, but this I remember. Is it live or is it Memorex? That's a t-shirt. Where's Pac-Man? Pac-Man, get in there. That's a t-shirt, Pac-Man. Polaroids. And where's my t-shirt? It's a Picasso. Right? I remember that. I can't believe I remember that. And I got short this silver again, 90 up to like 890.20. The silver should drop here. Cover silver anywhere between the 55 and 75 range. I can't believe this silver went from 51 up to 90. There goes the silver drop. I need a Caboose t-shirt. There you go. That's another one. So, oh, look at the silver. 40 cents down. Up 11,200 on 12 micros. Where's Jay? Jay's assistant never called me yesterday. Remember, we got to get on Jay next time he's here. No, I don't remember that commercial. I don't remember that. I don't remember that commercial. Oh, yes. Micro silver. Look at the silver drop. So when silver just made a new high, you got MACD's negative on the 30 and 60-minute time frame. That was an easy short. You understand? On that pattern? Look at the negative MACDs on the 30 and 60-minute time frame. They're not going to go anywhere. Silver just dropped 60 cents, Candace. Jennifer, get in there. Jeffrey, when you got the new high in silver above 89, 90, 89, 80, then look at the bear flag on. Look at it, 70 cents down, Dave Barber. Jennifer, you see that pattern? Look at the 30-minute time frame on silver right here. Where in God's creation is it going to go into these negative MACDs? Where? Somebody tell me, please. Come in Manila. Look at the negative MACD on the 60. Who's going to teach you this? Memorex? Oh, my God almighty. Are you short?
I'm out. I'm done.
How much you up?
Just under 2. Came in just
2,000?
200. No. Come on. I would have killed myself with the consistency thing. I thought I was going to be up like 6 when that silver short.
How much you up net?
Tonight,
No, tomorrow night.
7:55.
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. I told you you're gonna do it. I told you tonight. I told you. Now watch my dog. I told you we're gonna do it. See that? I told you. I said to you in the car, I feel it. You're gonna do it tonight. I told you, right? My baloney has a first name. It's Oscar. My baloney has a second name. It's Mayer. Oh, I love to eat it every day. And if you ask me why, I'll say, Because Oscar Mayer has a way with BOLOGNA. That's it. I'm done. And now I have to commit myself.
Finished.
I have to commit myself. I have to go to Bellevue in Queens. Where's Bellevue, Candace? In the Bronx? The third, Manhattan,
Yeah.
3rd floor, East Wing. Put me in the room. That's it. Put me away, Candace. That's it. Jennifer, it's nice knowing you, Jennifer. It's nice knowing all of you. Look at the silver. Look at this 30-minute monster bear. The guy who just bought 89.90s just jumped.
You want to get back in there, Josh? Me, I gotta close the laptop.
The people in the background keep changing. Stephen, please, one caboose. You just got a caboose.
Oh,
Come visit me, Jennifer. I'll be in a straitjacket. Look at this freaking silver. OMG.
take it, baby.
See, I'm
Hey.
proud of you. You're done.
Take
Now,
it, baby.
now, I'm look at me. No BS. I don't give compliments. I'm proud of you. Okay? It took a couple days. Okay? It took a couple days. Okay? Give me that.
Listen, I'm proud of you.
No. I'm
I'm
proud of
of
you.
you.
Stop it. I'm streaming. I'm proud of you. Okay? Look at the gold drop. Okay? All right? Oh my God. He said that Internet Explorer. Hitman, you get that short? Pac-Man, where's my shirt? It's a Picasso. There you go. George, I told you S&Ps were going to drop, George, off the 15 and 30s. NASDAQ just got cabooshed. 30, S&Ps 5. Mikey Jacques, get in there. Oh, look at this gold. Look at this gold. 17 down to 08. What happened to NASDAQ TSM? It got cabooshed. Oh, the earnings are overnight. Yeah. Mikey Jacques, you get the silver short. Dave, that was a perfect short, David. Perfect short on silver. Wow. Mikey Jacques doesn't trade the metals, I don't think. Candace, that was a perfect pattern, Candace, off the 30-minute time frame right here. Look, the push up to 90. Look, I said the range 65 to 95, right? Look at the negative MACD, the ADX rising. Look at the 60-minute, Candace. The 60 reversed to sell. Come on, get in there. Right? Okay. Good morning, sir. Where the hell you been? Pasanta Kumar, you're late to the game. We're in the top of the 9th inning. Pasant, you don't understand about your chat. Can somebody help him? Okay, I know you're from India. I get it, but we're trading gold, silver, S&P, NASDAQ futures. What part of India? You need one more play in gold. You're gonna get a push up. Right there it is. Off the 5. You're up 22,600. Yep, 10 minutes for the giveaways. Look at silver, 75, right back up. Jesus. I am proud of you, Phoenix Insight. I just want to know who you are. I'm trying to think who you are. How many contracts on that what move? This move here? 500, 800, 700, 250. Next. Oh, thank you, Jay Limbs. All right. We got 8 minutes. Wow, this flew today, man. This absolutely flew today. I can't even tell you how fast tonight flew. Oh, I never got anything like that. You texted it to me, 914-500-7484. What's my favorite meal? Spaghetti and meatballs. I'm a simple guy. Oh, my God, I need a drink. Too many setups. Patty Max, where's Patty Max? What I mentioned to Matt? My head hurts. Which indicators you use? This is my own setup here. I have a MACD, I have an ADX, I have a direction of movement, I have my oscillator, and I have my own algorithm. You're in West Palm, Papa Giorgio? Oh, that's where it is? I don't know it. I don't know it, sir. I'm telling you, the session flew. My number, 914-500-7484. Good night, Candace. Have a great night, Candace. All right. So we're going to do the raffles in 5 minutes. And I'm telling you now, if there's a name I can't read, you're getting kabooshed. Do I ever sleep, Bob Mary? Yeah, 4 or 5 hours. I met Johnny Bench and I met Joe DiMaggio. The one person I wanted to meet my whole life was Roberto Clemente, and he passed away. Another guy was literally in a supermarket at 8 o'clock at night one night, and I heard when I was working in a supermarket as a kid, and I heard that he had passed away and was from Panama, Nicaragua, somewhere. Dominican, maybe Dominican or something. So I met Johnny Bench. His hands were the size of like double mine. I met Joe. You want to hear a great Joe DiMaggio story, everybody? I got 4 minutes. I'll tell a great Joe DiMaggio story. So my brother-in-law is a nut job, and he's a big collectible of sports memorabilia, right? Oh, Johnny was the best. So I went to Johnny Bench, and my friend had a showing. He said, Stevie, come on, you come in first, right? So there's Johnny sitting there, and he stands up, and I said, Mr. Bench. He goes, no, Johnny. I said, Johnny, it's such an honor, the Big Red Machine, and I was a big fan of yours growing up. And I said, my son wears number 5 for 2 reasons. He said, what's the 2 reasons? I said, you and Joe DiMaggio. He came over, gave me and my son the biggest hug in the world, right? So I'll tell you the Joe DiMaggio story. So I go to Hofstra, New York, Long Island, and next thing I know, if this silver gets down to the if this silver gets down potentially, let me see what these 15s are doing here. What's these 15s doing here? Oh, these silvers are going to get kabooshed. So my brother-in-law, we buy a ticket, $100, $150 just to get in, and you can bring in 2 baseballs, or you can bring in anything you want. Silver, if the silver gets another push down here, 46 to 66, 76, I take a scalp long. Okay. So anyway, gold should get one more push up here. So finally, I get to the line. There's like 100 people ahead of me. It took me 4 hours. They'll examine my ball, examine this. They said you can bring whatever you want, but certain things Joe would have signed and things he didn't sign. And then finally, I'm literally, there's like 6 people you have to go through before you get to Joe, right? And finally, I look, the lawyer is sitting right next to him. The lawyer looks at the ball, says official Major League Baseball, bada bing, bada boop, bada bop, right? It gets to Joe, right? And I literally stand like I'm shuffling, right? And I finally get right in front of Joe DiMaggio like this. And I said, Joe, just be well, Joe. Just be well. And he, silver, I was scale out of longs above 85.90 here, right? So as I scoot over and I say to Joe, and he has the baseballs, the lawyer pushes them across for him to sign. He says, I say to him, Joe, just be well, Joe. Just be well. He says, who said that? And I said, I did, Joe. He puts down his pen. He looks up at me, stands up, shakes my hand. This is Joe DiMaggio, and says, that's one of the nicest things anyone's ever said to me in 50 years. I look to my right. I see the lawyer. He winks at me, and Joe sat down, signed my baseballs, and shook my hand and said, be well, my friend. I swear to God, Joe DiMaggio, true story. Yeah.
Yeah, and I looked it up.
No, it's a 5-day free trial, and then after that, it's $99 a month, $4.50 a day. If you can't make $4.50 a day with me, there's a problem. All right. All right. Again, I hope you scalped out of the long. Look at the silver. Oh my God. Look at the gold drop. Silver. Again, you could probably take a scalp long here, anywhere from the 88, 87, 90 to 89.20, 88.20 on silver. What a drop in silver. Look at this. Look at this, 89.94, just dropped $1.60. I told you those 30-minute MACDs, absolutely amazing. I have 2 balls signed by Joe DiMaggio. Look at silver right back up. You get long?
No, I'm done.
Are you done? Okay. That was a nice little long there. That was a, yeah, silver. Of course I still have the 2 balls. Of course. All right. Is it 8? Is it 9:50 yet? We're gonna do the raffles. Silver just rallied 40 cents.
Yeah, I said it was Puerto Rican though.
I know he's Puerto Rican. But he was dying. He died. He died. Oh my God. Anybody get the long and oh my Lord. Silver. Anybody get the long there? Oh my Lord. All right. All right. We're ready for the trial, for the spin. You better, okay. I hope there's names. Let's go with the raffle here. Are we doing the raffle or not? Okay, we're doing our 10 raffles here. Okay. All right. You have to have an account. What the hell is this? Ascraw? Ascraw 164? Ascraw 164. Ascraw. I'm never selling them.
He's there.
As he's here?
Yeah.
How do you see that?
He's on the chat.
I don't see it here. Oh, there he is. Hey, Ascraw. Next. Brinks Z. Brinks. That's one of my guys. Brinks Z. Brinks Z. Brinks Z. Brinks Z. Brinks, you're with me, right? Let's go. Going once. Going twice. He's here. Next. It's 2. Next. If you're long this silver, look to sell silver 88.20 up to 35.40. EZ4 is super trend. Oh my God. EZ4 is super trend. What kind of names are these? Should have bought the S&Ps there on a double blow. Just ran 2. Is he here?
Not yet.
Nope. Nope. Next. Oh my God, look at this silver. Oh yeah. Navander Roost. Navander Roost. Navander Roost. Navander Roost. He's here. All right, you could buy this silver again here anywhere from the 88, 87, 80 to 88.10. Next. That's 3. Ali Hamad 0506. Ali Hamad 0506. Ali Hamad. Next. If you're long the gold, silver, scale out of longs above 30. Sonder dash AU. Sonder dash AU. Sonder dash. Anybody buy the silver here? Sonder dash AU. Nope. Next. Jesus. We only got 3. It's already. Mr. 21. Mr. 21. Mr. 21. Well, here he is. Okay, that's 4. Next. The lazy developer is 73. Who's here? He's here? Who's here?
No, we were talking about Mr. 21.
Oh, the lazy developer. The lazy developer.
Yep, he's there.
All right, that's 5. And for those of you, if you want a 5-day free trial, please text me 914-500-7484. Here's 5. Gold's going to go right back up. Wow, look at the silver rally. Look at the silver rally. Rajam D2T. Oh my God, my brain hurts. Silver just ran 50. Kaboom. Rajam D2T. He's here? Good job. Gold just ran 4. What? Krish Hagorunga. What? Krishna Garunung 888. Krishna Runga 888. Is he here? My brain hurts on that one. Chris Arunga. What? Krishna Guru Ung 888. Oh my God. I'd rather be short 100 S&Ps, 5 handles against me. I can't take it. Next. Oh, wait, he's here. Hold on. He's here. All right. He's here. Kitsazuma. You know, I should just on that name alone, I should just like ban him. Okay, look at this silver rally. Look at this silver rally here. 70 cents. Look at this silver rally. Kitsazuma. Didn't I ask for people to give me easy names? He's here? That's 8. All right. I want to thank MyFundedFutures for tonight. We'll be here tomorrow night again. Gold just rallied 8. That's a short. Gold just short here above the 10 to 15, 16 rate. Fading time. See, that's not a bad name. Fading time. Fading time. Fading time. Fading time. Going once. Going twice. Fading time faded. Next. Hey, Marzina 77. He faded. Marzina 77. Marzina 70. What? She's here? That's 9. One more. Congratulations, Marzina. What the hell is this? Do we go scalper? The Wise Go scalper? Oh my God, this should be banned. This could be my first banned. This could be my first banned person. Anybody get the silver ran 70? Not Diego scalper. DIWGO scalper. Anybody? Next. It's like the soup Nazi. Next. Oh, Mike J1Z. He should be banned, but I could read it. Mike J1Z. What he tried to spell, that's not what it was up there. He's here? All right. All right. Woo! Congratulations, Mike J1Z. All right, everybody. God bless you. I'll see you tomorrow night. Thank you to MyFundedFutures. Thank you to Aaron. Thank you to everybody behind the scenes. Thank you, Denny. Look at my Jennifer working hard for me. Look at that, Jennifer. All right. Thank you, Gesundheit. Thank you, George. All right, everybody. I want to say thank you. God bless you. Thank you to all the winners. Congratulations to all the winners. And thank you. If anybody wants to text me, just talk the markets. Any way I can help you, any way possible. My number is 914-500-7484. If you ever want to watch me, I have a podcast on my SK Trading YouTube called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. With that being said, I want to say thank you, all of you. Have a great night. God bless you. I think gold gets cabooshed on the overnights. Okay? All right. With that being said, God bless you and have a great night. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.